A die is thrown 6 times. If getting an odd number is success, what is the probability of? There are 3 questions here on this problem. Now read this once again. A die is thrown 6 times. How many times? 6 times. If getting an odd number, so getting an odd number is a success. What is the probability of 5 successes? We will try to solve this problem. Now, from this problem we get to know that 6 times, so n is equal to 6. What is the probability? Getting odd number is a success. What is the probability of 5 successes? So x is equal to 5. Thrown 6 times, n is equal to 6. How many successes? 5. So x is equal to 5. Now, the probability of getting an odd number. Look here, in a die we have got 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of these, 1, 3 and 5, they are odd numbers. How many numbers? 3. Out of 6 we have got 3 odd numbers. So the probability of odd numbers is 3 by 6, that is equal to half. So we will call P as equal to half. Now Q is equal to 1 minus half. Q is the probability of not getting the prime numbers. So that will be 1 minus half, that is again half. So we get to know these values. N is equal to 6, X is equal to 5, P is equal to half and Q is equal to half. Finally we have a formula here. So NCX Q n minus x into P to the power of x. Now x is equal to 5, Px 5. So using this formula, in place of NCX, in the place of n and x, q and p, we have to put the respective values. N is equal to 6, 6c5, q is half, n minus x, 6 to the 6 minus half, n is 6, x is 5, 6 minus 5. So half to the power of 5, x is equal to 5. Now 6c5 is 6 factorial over 1 factorial. How do we get this 1 factorial? 6 minus 5, that is 1 factorial. And this 5 factorial. It's a formula. Now half to the power of 6, write it as it is. Now if you simplify this, you will get, now 6 factorial we can write as 6 into 5 factorial. So this 5 factorial and this 5 factorial cancel out, we are left with 6. Now 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6, that is 1 to the power of 6 is 1, 2 to the power of 6 is 64. So 6 by 64, divide this by 2, 2 3s are 232s are. So we get this value 3 by 32 is the probability of getting 5 successes.